In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have your Monday board connected so updates can trigger actions in QuickBooks, saving you time and reducing manual data entry. Start by signing in to your Monday.com account. If you're new, create an account and complete the initial setup so you land on your workspace. Make sure you have permission to manage integrations in your Monday account, and that you have access to the correct company in QuickBooks Online, since the integration connects through your Intuit login. Open the board where you want the integration to live. This board should represent the process you want to automate, like invoices, bills, or clients. If needed, tidy up your columns now so you have the fields you plan to send to QuickBooks, such as customer, amount, due date, and status. Clear, consistent columns make the next steps much easier. At the top of the board, click Automate to open Monday's Automation Center. This is where you'll add an integration recipe. In the search bar, type QuickBooks to filter the available options. You'll see ready-made templates that describe what they do, for example, creating or updating an invoice when a status changes on your board. Pick the template that best matches your workflow and click Use Template. If you're not sure, choose the one closest to your process. You can always adjust the settings later. Next, you'll be prompted to connect an account. Click QuickBooks Account to select an existing connection or add a new one. Then click Connect and sign in. A secure Intuit window will open. Sign in to your QuickBooks Online account, choose the company you want to connect, and grant the requested permissions. This step authorizes Monday to perform only the actions defined in your recipe. When the connection succeeds, you'll jump back to Monday to finish setup. You'll now see field mapping options where you match your Monday columns to QuickBooks fields. Take a moment to map carefully. Customer to customer, total to amount, dates to due dates, and so on. If you don't have a perfect match, consider adding a column to your board and returning to this screen to align it. Save the recipe, then run a quick test by updating one item on your board to trigger the automation. Check QuickBooks to confirm the result. If something looks off, revisit the mapping or adjust the trigger conditions. You can view integration activity in Monday to troubleshoot and pause or edit the recipe anytime. That's it. You've connected Monday.com with QuickBooks and set up a reliable workflow that keeps your financial records aligned with your team's work.